This is a brand new 2013 Ford Edge. This crossover has an automatic transmission, a 3.5-liter V6, and the added safety and control of all-wheel drive. Its top features include a navigation system, Bluetooth cell phone integration, traction control and stability control systems, XM satellite radio, big 18-inch wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: air conditioning with automatic climate control, cruise control, heated side view mirrors, a 6-speaker audio system, leather and alloy steering wheel trim, privacy glass, dusk sensing headlights, an anti-lock braking system, front and rear reading lights, and a rear spoiler. Call or visit us right now and arrange your test drive today.
Lakewood Fordland is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 11595 West 6th Avenue in Lakewood.